picture was made by AI. This picture was made by AI too. And a lot of people are using AI to create something fantastic. You no more need to go to studio to package yourself. That's life is about packaging, no? If you do not package yourself on the street of social media, especially if you are building a personal brand or a business, you need some packaging. In case you cannot afford this packaging yet, what do? AI is your best friend. Now, in this video, I would show you how you can use AI to create beautiful and amazing pictures that would wow you yourself, either for your personal brand or for your business. Let's jump right in. Go to Google and type AI studio.google.com. People are already typing it, a lot of people actually. To agree to these terms, now stuff. Click on try it. Then here we are. You click on this button, plus button, to upload a file. Now I'll look for, you could use maybe a studio picture, depends on what you want to do. You could use a normal picture, but I'll be using a studio picture where I add makeup on. Done. I'm going to add a prompt. First prompt is maintain my exact face. My outfit to a blue suit. Show me in a big jewelry store. 4 of my staffs packing others. Add a description or signage that shows the collections, my brand name. So for this blue suit, I want a royal blue. Yeah. Then, so just give it some time. You may see this notification where it's telling you to enable Google Drive. The thing with this is it's just trying to save your chat. You could save it, just put in your mail, and that's all. Somebody say, oncho, cho. Take a look at me now. This is so beautiful. This is superb. Right now, I don't get store like this. Now my staff, they do behind the scene. Somebody say, oh, yeah. So with this, let me first save this, download image. So your image is downloaded. No need for extra photo shoots. Photographer is not going to collect my money. I'm just going to make use of the existing pictures I have to generate new things. With this, you can do a photo shoot. You can do something for your store. Anytime you lose your chat, click on that icon beside the chat prompt and click on history. It takes you to your previous conversation. History, can you see the collection store? Just click on it and it's going to bring me back to the first one. Can you see? I can say, please show watches and jewelry box behind. Let the store look full of goods. Royal blue would always look great on me. That's why I picked the color royal blue. And it did look great. If you are not here, would you have denied that this is the collections? This is Deborah. Can you see? Lady. Somebody say boss lady. Let's say I like this Vicky's picture and everything about it. I'll screenshot this picture, take it to ChatGPT, upload the picture, give me the exact prompt that I can use in describing both the picture and the exact background. Note that the background might not be exact, but it's going to come up with something really similar. Can you see this? All I'll be doing is I'll copy what I have here, give Gemini, I hope I'm recording, come to Gemini and give Gemini my own picture. Now I'm using this picture. I'll paste everything ChatGPT gave me. I'll say, here is my face. maintain my exact face and give me, okay, I can say, and make me stylish, a stylish woman, blah 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 blah. Can you see? Can you see? Then I'll delete these other parts of what ChatGPT gave me. Let's see what we have. Maybe perhaps I should have used another picture, but I'm working with what is nearby. This thing will straight my hands. Give me a jacket. Opo. Opo say. Oh my God. See how beautiful this is. It did not copy and paste. Oh my God. This is so nice. It even made my hair longer. My next video is what you should be watching right now as a business owner. Click here, watch and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.